Are you looking for specific answers about your ancestral origins, but disappointed by the lack of detail provided by general DNA tests? That's exactly the problem we had before discovering Living DNA. We're sharing our opinion on Living DNA after ordering their kit, receiving our results, and exploring all its features. Spoiler alert, our experience with Living DNA allowed us to trace our ancestors with exceptional sub-regional accuracy, covering more than 150 regions worldwide where other laboratories remain vague. 3 main reasons motivated our choice of Living DNA for this DNA test. First, their promise of sub-regional analysis with rare precision. Second, their comprehensive scientific approach, including analysis of maternal and paternal haplogroups, allowing us to trace our history back 80,000 years. Finally, their recognized expertise in the field of genetics with advanced sequencing technologies. The laboratory offers 3 DNA kits designed to suit your needs. Let's start with the Ancestry DNA kit. This test delves into your ethnic origins over thousands of years, identifying your ancestors around the world. And Living DNA doesn't stop there. The platform can go even further by giving you specific details on 150 subregions, including England and the United States. What's more, you can find family members, contact them, and even compare parts of your genome with them. This DNA kit provides you with a comprehensive report, including your maternal and paternal haplogroups, and allows you to download your data for reuse elsewhere. The Wellness DNA Kit focuses on your health. It reveals how your body metabolizes certain vitamins and its sensitivity to lactose or gluten, and offers exercise recommendations tailored to your genetic profile. It's a fascinating approach to optimizing your lifestyle. Finally, the Ancestry and Wellness DNA Kit combines the 2 previous analyses. It's the ideal kit if you want the full package, discovering your ancestral origins while gaining insights into how to improve your lifestyle. Living DNA goes even further with its Neanderthal Ancestry Kit, which reveals the proportion of your genes inherited from Neanderthals and Denisovans. If you would like to purchase a DNA test and discover your history with Living DNA, click on the link we have provided in the description. Please note that this is an affiliate link that helps us fund our future videos and maintain our independence, as our videos are 100% impartial and transparent. By using our link, you are supporting our work. Our experience began with placing an order online on the official website. The kit arrived within 5 business days, carefully packaged and with clear instructions. The sample collection process was incredibly simple. Just rub a swab inside your cheek for a few seconds. After sending the sample back by prepaid mail, the wait began. Living DNA said it would take 6 to 8 weeks, and in our case, we got our results exactly 7 weeks later. We got an email saying our results were available online in our secure personal account. Once you receive your Living DNA results, a new page in your history will open. You will discover the distribution of your genes with precise percentages for each region of the world. At a glance, you will see how your roots are distributed across Europe, Africa, Asia, and many other regions, with a clear and accurate visual representation of your genetic makeup. You can follow the movements of your ancestors over 10 generations and trace their migrations from Africa, Europe, or even England and Ireland. Thanks to DNA and haplogroup compatibility, the lab can identify relatives, whether they are close, distant, or even unknown. The results can connect you to cousins, uncles, aunts, with accuracy up to 13 degrees of kinship. We were amazed to be able to find our DNA matches and forge new connections to add to our family tree. When it comes to ancestry, Living DNA is particularly accurate, capable of analyzing more than 150 ethnic regions with a high level of detail. However, its geographical coverage is more limited than that of competitors such as MyHeritage, QuickDNA. In fact, Living DNA is much more relevant if your main goal is to receive information about your well-being and health, in addition to ancestry. The Living DNA Personalized Ancestry book is much more than just a printed report. It is a hardcover book that tells your family story. Elegantly presented, it compiles all of your DNA results, from your recent ancestry breakdown to your maternal and, for men, paternal haplogroups. You'll find a detailed sub-regional analysis, a chromosome painting tracing your origins over the last 500 years, as well as a personalized family tree and illustrated maps showing your ancestors' migrations. All of this is enriched with stories and highlights about your origins, making it a unique item that is ideal to keep or give to your loved ones. Receiving a personalized ancestry book in addition to our DNA results was a real surprise. It's an option we hadn't found at other labs, and it's clearly an added bonus that makes all the difference. After testing livingdna, we were impressed by several things. This genealogy lab stands out by offering a comprehensive analysis that goes far beyond basic results. One major advantage is livingdna's ability to thoroughly analyze both your maternal and paternal lineages. Where other services focus on one or the other, livingdna gives you a complete picture of your family heritage, tracing your DNA back through both sides of your family. We were also impressed by the ancestral migration mapping and DNA matches. Despite these qualities, our experience with livingdna reveals a few limitations. The results are only available in English. The price is above average for the market, although the quality of the analysis justifies the investment. The lack of built-in tools for creating family trees means that you have to use third-party platforms to further your research. The 6 to 8 week turnaround time may seem long in today's fast-paced world, especially when other labs promise faster results. livingdna has an exemplary privacy policy that is worth highlighting. Your genetic information is stored on secure servers in the UK and is never sold to third parties. This ethical approach contrasts sharply with some questionable practices in the industry. Researchers accessing data for scientific purposes work with completely anonymized samples. Your identity remains protected at all times. Even more reassuringly, you retain complete control and can permanently delete your data at any time. After this comprehensive experience, our opinion of livingdna remains very positive for a specific audience. This laboratory is ideal for genealogy enthusiasts seeking an in-depth and scientifically rigorous analysis of their origins. Its sub-regional accuracy and family discovery tools make it a justified premium choice. We particularly recommend it as an original and personalized gift, thanks in particular to the Ancestry book option. The emotional experience of discovering one's ancestral roots in such detail will leave a lasting impression on the recipient. However, if you prefer speed or are looking for collaborative genealogy features, other options such as Quick DNA may better suit your needs. Our opinion on livingdna can be summed up as follows. It is the ideal choice for turning genealogical curiosity into a genuine scientific and emotional journey. With its unique sub-regional accuracy, haplogroup analyses dating back 80,000 years, and family connection tools, this livingdna test offers much more than just a list of ethnic origins. Your family history deserves the rigorous scientific approach and attention to detail that have made this British laboratory renowned. Whether for yourself or as a unique gift, livingdna will transform your understanding of your ancestral roots. Share your own livingdna experience in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth analysis of genealogical DNA testing. Thank you all for watching. This was DNA Story.